Hey guys, Pete from London Camera Exchange. Back in 2012, Fuji released their first compact system camera to the market with their Fuji X Pro 1. Since then there's been many additions to their range, giving users great image quality. 4 years in the making, they've now announced the Fuji X Pro 2. With a newly developed 24.3 megapixel CMOS sensor, Fuji has been able to keep the performance of their X series cameras as high as possible. We see technology taken from the predecessor, the X Pro 1, but revamped, updated and made shiny and new. Fuji has kept their unique random colour filter to reduce the Maya effect as much as possible, but keeping the sharpness of the image without the need for a low pass filter built in. A new high-performance X processor boasts 4 times the speed of conventional processing engines, which increases response times from startup, low light shooting, memory writing and autofocus. Approximately 40% of the imaging area is now covered by precise phase detection autofocus pixels, and this has been expanded from 49, seen on the previous models, to 77 for a greater functionality and faster focus. It may look like the X Pro 1, but there are minor improvements. We now have an ISO control for fast and easy changes, and Fuji has also updated the internal workings of the camera. For instance, we've got a dual SD card slot for more reliable image storage. A new faster mechanical shutter gives us a top speed of 8,000th of a second, with flash sync up to 250th. The key function buttons have moved across to the right, so all main control functions can be accessed without having to take your eye away from the viewfinder. First seen on the X100 back in 2011, the X Pro 2 keeps the hybrid multi-viewfinder, but is now more advanced than ever. The EVF uses a 2.3 million dot LCD screen. Fuji have also improved the frame rate from the X Pro 1 being at 54 frames per second to a maximum speed of 85 frames per second. This reduces image delay when tracking moving subjects, but also the blackout time by approximately half. The X Pro 2 features a multi-magnification function that automatically switches the viewfinder according to the lens in use, and an electronic rangefinder that displays on top of the optical view. The X Pro 2 is robust with its magnesium alloy chassis and a 61-point weather sealed build preventing dust and water splash damaging your camera. Fuji have made this better in every way they could compared to the X Pro 1. It's faster shooting, faster focusing, I love the change to the ISO control, the handling feels better, the function button change is a great tweak, the styling's still clean and discreet, which for street cameras is perfect, and I'm sure there'll be a lot more other amazing lenses to come from Fuji. For more information, check out the link below or head into your local London Camera Exchange.